single day.
Yeah. I feel like a mansion on the mud hill is worthless. Sooner or later, you need a purpose. Let's go. I feel like I'm King David. 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 I wrestle with bears and lions. I'm supposed to be scared of Goliath. I have no fear of giants. God with me, I'm prepared to triumph. I feel like I'm King David. 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 I battle with temptation. Was brought up to lead nations. To make it, you need patience. Yo, I feel like I'm King David. I've been all around the world trying to find the key to success. I've been on through the dark valley of the shadow of death. That was a mess. Sometimes I sit and think of how I made it out of the West. Very unblessed. In my town, a lot of boys ain't survived. May they eternally rest. Pay my respect. Yes, listen clear, let me tell you something. Might wanna pull up a chair or something. Do you see me cooking? I'm preparing something. Boy, I see you looking, say a prayer or something. We at war, get your armor and your sword. Cause the devil, he ain't playing fair nothing. The storm hit us, but we clear above it. Cause the Lord with us, we ain't scared of nothing. Live from the underground, Harry Tubman, they emerged when they heard the chariots coming. Black Caesar, who spat ether, trying to avoid all the bad Shebas. They destroyed all the black leaders, now Cap can't quarterback neither. Guess that man made a sacrifice, they won't celebrate till the afterlife. Come on, I feel like I'm King David. 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 I wrestle with bears and lions. I'm supposed to be scared of Goliath. I have no fear of giants. God with me, I'm prepared to triumph. I feel like I'm King David. 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 I battle with temptation. Was brought up to lead nations. To make it, you need patience. I feel like I'm King David. Yo, I feel like I'm King David. I feel like I'm finna burn this track until it's cremated. I feel like I gotta celebrate because my team made it. I feel like you smiling in my face, but you really hate it. God bless them all. Larry David, I'm a ball. Seen it painted on the wall. They had me running from Saul. He created me with flaws. I stood up only to fall. Didn't understand at all until I answered the call. Then my reign came long. Look at what I've become. It's hard to put it in words, so I express it through song. My destiny in my palm, the best of me in my calm. But when you get at me wrong, somebody ring the alarm. Y'all hear me though, listen to this tale, and I hope you listen well. Yesterday's bread is stale, there's triumph after the fail. What I mean is I prevail. My flesh was inches from hell, till God reached into the well and put me back in the field. I have no use for this shield, that armor heavy is still.
COPWATCH, policing the police every single day.
Are they going to in a passing Lord with a new shotgun?
Under Sunshine Law, can I inspect the sign-in sheet?
I'm sorry?
Under Sunshine Law, can I inspect the sign-in sheet?
Yeah, well, let me give you a call.
We just found out that there's nothing to redact, so you can't hide it. We just found out that there's nothing to redact, so you can't hide it.
Excuse me?
If there's nothing to redact, you can't hide the sign-in sheet.
We're not hiding the sign-in sheet.
You are hiding the...
Inside.
You,
inside the office.
You are hiding the sign-in sheet.
If you had any questions,
there's nothing to redact.
You can call this
There's nothing to redact. You're violating the law. That's a misdemeanor offense.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, if you have any questions, call this person.
So I'm able to, under Sunshine Law, inspect it here. Yeah. Okay. There's nothing to redact.
I'm not redacting anything. What I'm saying
is
that we have the sign-in. When the next person comes to sign in, we'll have a sign-in.
Okay,
Are you shooting
so
today?
I can't see that?
Are you shooting today?
I am not. I'm doing a Sunshine Law request.
No, you're okay. Then call that number and they'll assist
So
you.
you're admitting you're violating the law and you don't care. Why, is he the head Nazi?
He's not a Nazi.
He's
actually a
people from
man,
communist Germany.
I take that
you
very
should.
Personal,
that's from Germany, the red stuff.
Very, very, very good.
It's true.
No,
it's true. This is what Germany did.
Let me tell you something.
Let me tell you something. I know what the Constitution is.
He wants to sign in. He can sign in.
I'm not shooting.
Here, you can look at that.
I need the one where the signatures are there, where there's nothing to redact.
Call them. Get a hold of them. They'll help
Okay,
you
so
out.
you don't believe in the Sunshine or the Sunshine Law either?
That's it. Just call them up.
So you're
That's what you get.
so you're admitting that you're going to violate the law too?
We're all going to violate the law according to you.
All right. So we just found out if there's nothing to redact, you can't hide the sheet.
Okay. Go ahead
Okay.
and call legal, all right?
And so I can look at the sheet right here. There's nothing to
Go ahead and
redact.
call legal. Go ahead and
So you're violating the law too. So all of you are violating the law, committing a misdemeanor offense, and you don't care.
Happy New Year, Andrew.
You don't care. Misdemeanor offense. You're all criminals. Read the book 3 Felonies a Day. You guys are criminals, man. The sign-in sheet's illegal, sir. He's a criminal. He's a red shirt Nazi. You're a red shirt Nazi. Read the book 3 Felonies a Day. You're guilty too, buddy. Yeah. It'll be nice when we get rid of you Nazis. Sir, did you know the sign-in sheet over there is illegal?
What?
Did you know the sign-in sheet over there is illegal?
Okay.
It's a third-degree felony for the state of Florida to collect signatures. It's a third-degree felony, $5 million fine. They don't care. We've been trying to fight this for 2 years.
Okay.
Does that bother you, or?
Maybe, but at the same time I think they need to know who's here.
Right. Well,
I mean, if something were to happen, we'll track down that person.
well, I believe they got cameras too, so they got that.
Yeah.
So I mean,
can see good points and bad points too.
right. Well, you know what they did in other countries when they got a list of people, right?
Yeah, probably selected them.
Yeah, they took their guns.
Yeah,
You know what I mean? That was bad, right?
that was bad.
Well, you remember, in Virginia, it's almost ready for, they're going to try to take the guns, right? So now they have a list of people here. So if it happens here, they know who to go to. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I don't have no fear of that.
Wow. All right. So in the future, everybody's going to be a criminal that has one of that. That's bad, right?
Well, that's what you said.
Right. It's happened many times in the world.
It hasn't happened here yet, so.
Almost. Okay, did you know the sheriff has an illegal list of gun owners?
I don't know what the sheriff does.
Right.
Seems like a pretty nice guy. You know?
Actually, he's a dirtbag.
What?
He's a dirtbag.
Sorry, I didn't get your answer.
Yeah. Sir, did you know it's illegal for them to have the sign-in sheet here?
A what machine?
The sign-in sheet?
It's illegal.
It's illegal. It's a third-degree felony, $5 million fine. Florida actually has a statute that they can't have a list.
Well,
Seriously.
It's the best place to shoot around.
Right.
You know.
So you know what they did in other countries when they had a list, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They had what?
When they had a list. When other countries had a list, what did they do? They took the guns.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
hope that doesn't happen.
I agree.
They
Well,
have to
look, it's
shoot
happening in
me
Virginia,
first.
right?
Yeah.
Well, now they know who you are. Can I give you my card? I can send you proof of it. Is that all right?
You send me what?
I can send you proof that it is illegal.
Oh,
My
okay.
email's on there. I'll send you all the documents. Yeah, they're not supposed to be doing this. Seriously.
Well, I like coming down here, honestly.
Right. Oh, I know.
And they come down here and they leave you alone.
Right.
For the most part.
Yeah, I was gonna say you gotta train first.
There's one guy.
That's a dick?
Kind of has a thing about that
Fascism?
little man syndrome, you know.
Oh.
And he's making up his own fucking rules.
Are you serious? Which one is that one?
Little
short fat guy?
You can't have. No, a little fat guy. Comes home. Now he's drinking water out of a.
Right.
You can't have water on the shooting line.
Water?
No.
It's hot.
Anyway, you know. So he kind of, when he comes around to this.
Why? Wow. Were you like really inebriated off that water? Was it affecting your shooting?
No, I was just drinking it. He said, you got to go to the back line.
because it might get up and get somebody wet. Email me if you want the information. I got it. Email me if you want the information. I can show you the information that they're not supposed to have.
Okay, you're on the card?
Yeah, the email's on the back.
Yeah, okay.
Yep. Yeah, I'll send you the info.
I hope we don't come to that.
Oh, I agree. Absolutely agree. Yep. Yep. Watch that water, man. That's dangerous. Here comes FWC, okay? He is 100 feet away. We'll see. We'll see. I am walking back to the car. Huh? Yeah, we got to stay on the phone. Correct. I know. You're asking questions. You're dangerous. All right. For the moment he just drove by, so I guess I'm safe. Yeah. Because everything's illegal, right? Yeah. See, the lady camping here agrees. Everything's illegal. So for the moment, he... Oh shit, there's another one. Yes, yes I do. Oh crap, he's behind me, and I got a Chevy Blazer behind me. This is gonna be interesting. All right, I got 3 minutes and I'm at the car. Son of a bitch. Hey Sherri County, this is Sherri County COPWATCH. I am using any video here with under fair use if you have criticism, reporting, teaching, etc. And please donate. I do not make money from YouTube, and there are different ways to donate in the video links. Thanks.